In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to enter, so your invoices and reports stay accurate. Start by opening your browser and navigating to books.zoho.com. Once you're in your Zoho Books organization, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Sales. This area groups everything related to selling, estimates, invoices, and of course, your customer list. Inside Sales, click Customers to open the customer directory, then select the New button to create a fresh record. You'll first choose a customer type. Pick Business if you're billing a company or Individual if you're billing a person. This helps format names correctly on your documents. Now enter the core details. Add the primary contact so you know who you're communicating with. Fill in the company name if it's a business and set a clear display name, the label that appears on invoices and in your lists. Provide the customer's email address and phone so you can send invoices and reminders. If your account supports multiple languages, choose the customer language to control the language used in emails and documents for this customer. Accurate basics save time later. Next, you can capture financial specifics. Select a tax rate if the customer is taxable. This ensures the correct tax is applied automatically. Enter a company ID if you track official registration numbers. Choose the currency that matches how you'll bill this customer, especially important for international clients. If you're migrating from another system and the customer already owes or has a credit with you, record that as the opening balance so your aging reports start off correct. For richer records, add more details, enter address information, billing, and if needed, a separate shipping address. Add contact persons if multiple people at the customer's side should receive invoices or statements. Use custom fields for any organization-specific data points you've set up, like account manager or region. Apply reporting tags to categorize the customer for analytics and filtered reports. And use remarks for internal notes. Helpful context for your team that won't appear on customer-facing documents. When you're satisfied, click Save. Zoho Books will create the customer and show the profile page where you can review details and begin sending estimates or invoices right away. That's it. You've gone from the dashboard to a complete customer record with the essential details and helpful context captured.